Yeah. This kitchen is still a mess. Why? Barbecue. Blech. Cheese. Poop. Blech. No cheese? Did I run over cheese? Wait. Come on. No. Maybe. I'm only when the cheese going to. I mean, they're all rotten anyway. I'm gonna have to eat you guys now. Come on. No. No. Well, dog time. No. Cheese. No, he's gonna kill me. Cheese. Oh, it's the best thing I got. Ew. 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 Thank you guys for watching. The person who's doing me this time will Kid. Bye. Subscribe and like for new videos. This is the last time I say that. Peace.